CRM, Customer Relations Manager. Your system has a built in CRM that will help manage and improve your owner and guest relationships, help with customer retention, and drive sales growth. The CRM module is designed to compile owner and guest data from all channels, past, present, or future. This is a powerful marketing tool that can be used to create and send personalized automated emails, marketing mailing campaigns, and can be used to track email history and statistics. Instead of manually emailing your guests and owners, the system can send these emails based on the trigger rules that you have applied. For example, email the guest arrival instructions 5 days to the arrival date once full payment is received. Once the reservation has met those rules or criteria, the system will automatically disperse the email to the guest. There are 3 parts to this training tutorial: newsletters and templates, manage people, and emailers and rules. Let's get started with newsletters and templates. Newsletters and templates. To access this screen, go to Management Company and then select Newsletters and Templates. Newsletters and templates is where you can create and edit email templates that the system uses to send to your guests, homeowners, and staff members. To create a new template, click on New Template to enter the description or template name, the email subject line that the guests will see in their inbox. If you would like to assign this template to a particular staff member or franchisee, select the user using the drop-down menu, and then click Add. It will then appear on the template list. Now you must specify the email category. If it is a marketing email or an email that you would like the system to auto-send, select the CRM template category. It's important to apply this category to your template. The category determines which distribution list to send the email to. Now let's create the email by clicking on Edit Template. Click on Home to view the styling menu or options. The white panel is where you will enter the content or text for this email template. With the templates you create, you have the ability to personalize each email to your guests, homeowners, or staff members. This can be done through applying tokens to the template, also known as tags or placeholders. Since this is a CRM template, make sure to only use the CRM email tokens. These tokens are specifically developed for the CRM module. The system will not recognize tokens used from other token lists. To add a token, simply double-click on the token to appear on wherever your cursor is placed. After sending the email, in place of this token, the system will automatically apply the guest's first name. After creating the CRM template, please exit and click Yes to save. For step-by-step details or instructions on how to create email templates, please watch the Newsletters and Templates training video. Now let's review Manage People. To access this screen, go to Management Company and then select Manage People. The Manage People screen manages and displays data for your guests and leads. The Search and Filter screen allows advanced search for existing guests or leads in the database. The first and last name also has a Sounds Like feature available to search for similar patterns. This screen is also used to configure guest records. To search for a guest, make sure you apply the correct parameters by entering either the first or last name, guest telephone number, or email address. Search for a guest by no email address, duplicate email address, or if their address is not tidied or completely keyed in, or search for all guests in your system. Once you click on Search, guests will appear based on the specified search parameters in this white panel or table. The table will display the guest ID, first and last name, email address, category, and type. There are 3 types the system will automatically apply to the contact: a new sales lead, opportunity, which is if the guest has requested a quote, and an account. Category. To add a category, click on the Categories button and then click Add. To specify a category to a guest, click on the Category drop-down menu and simply specify it or assign it to the guest. Once you have located the guest, you can now view or edit their contact details, view or tidy their address by clicking on Tidy Address, view or add special notes, view all past, present, future reservations and quotes, view a history of comments entered in by your reservationist, view all of your live chat transcripts, guest pass account details, and you can also merge records. The Merge Record feature allows multiple contacts of the same reservation or guest to be merged to a single contact. Sometimes, over time, one guest may inquire or book using different emails, name or telephone numbers, and this contact would appear several times in your system as if they were different people. The Merge Record feature will display similar records to the screen by clicking on this filter tool. Or multiple records can be selected and merged to a single master record. To merge multiple records into one, check each record and then click Merge. For marketing purposes, you can view or enter personal details for each guest. You can also view payment methods or stored guest credit or debit card details. With the Manage People tool, you can also import external guest data or sales leads directly to the CRM. These leads can be used for email marketing campaigns. Click on Import to get the Excel file. Once you have completed the file, click on Open to import into your system. When importing, you can also specify a category to assign to this leads list. Click here to begin or start the import. Emailers and Rules. To access this screen, go to Management Company and then select Emailers and Rules. The Emailers and Rules screen is where email campaigns are created and configured. These can be configured to output emails based on conditions set by your company. The combination of conditions to trigger emails or marketing campaigns are near limitless. Let's apply the trigger rules to the balance due reminder template we just created. To create a new mailer, click on Add. Enter the mailer name or description for you to identify each type of mailer. Click OK to enter. Just like categorizing your guests or leads, you can also categorize your emailers. To create or modify mailer categories, click on Categories located on the lower left. Now we can apply the parameters for the selected mailer. Reply to email. When the customer receives the email, what email address would you like the customer to respond to? If blank, the customer will reply to the default email stored in your system. Select the CRM template. Notice how only templates where you have applied the category of CRM template appear on this drop-down menu. To edit or preview the template, simply click on Edit. for you to make any changes or modify. Person category. If you would like to distribute this template to a specific category of owners or guests, select the customer category here. If not, you can leave it as unspecified. Reprocess period. If you would like the system to reprocess this mailer, enter the number of times a day, week, or month, or continuously have the system send the email. 0 means that the system will send the email once. Since this is a balance due reminder, I'm only going to send this one time to the guest. Mailer type. Specify the type of mailer. It is an email for reservations or quotes, so we have that selected. Transactional. Selecting transactional means that it is part of the reservation process, from sending a quote to arrival instructions to thank you, come again. This is considered transactional. Marketing is a general type of email where a reservation or property does not have to meet any type of criteria or rules. Contact only is if you would like the system to send a courtesy email to the customer. For example, a happy birthday or anniversary email. What you'll do is enter the number of days before, after, or on the selected options here in this drop-down menu. Apply to. Does this mailer apply to only reservations or quotes only? If you have selected reservations, is it to active reservations, canceled reservations, or both types of reservations? Since this is a balance due reminder, I will select active reservations only. Select who to send the email to. Is it the guest, property manager, a specific email address, or to your owners? Send. Enter the number of days before, after, or on these options available in this drop-down menu. Again, we are using the balance due reminder as an example. So we are going to send 2 days before the balance due date. Paid status. Select the paid status if the reservation has paid in full, outstanding, or doesn't apply. Since this is a balance due reminder, we only want the system to send the email to guests that hasn't paid in full yet. Booking categories. Would you like this to go out to all types of booking categories in your system? By default, this box is checked. If not, uncheck to specify which booking categories this mailer applies to. Cart item. Would you like this mailer to apply to all cart items applied to your reservations? If so, leave it checked or unchecked to specify the specific booked cart items. Would you like this mailer to apply to all properties in your system? Again, if not, uncheck to specify which properties this mailer applies to. After applying the correct parameters based on the selected CRM template, check the Mailer Enabled box to activate. Once a reservation or property has met all of these set requirements, the system will automatically disperse the emails. Click on Stats to view how many emailers were sent, the creation date, and how many customers have read the email. To view further metrics, please log on to your Mandrill account.